The automotive world was left stunned when an Illinois dealer reportedly refused to sell the 2024 Rimac Nevera, despite a buyer offering the full $1.6 million asking price. In a market where high-end cars are usually sold to the highest bidder, this unusual decision has sparked major debate among car enthusiasts, collectors, and industry experts across the United States. In this video, we take a deep dive into what really happened and why a dealership would turn down such a massive deal. The Rimac Nevera isn't just any car, it's one of the most advanced electric hypercars ever built, known for its insane acceleration, cutting-edge technology, and extremely limited production numbers. With 900+ horsepower and record-breaking performance, the Nevera represents the future of electric vehicles and luxury engineering. So why would a dealer refuse to sell it? Could it be due to strict brand policies, concerns about flipping, reselling for profit, or requirements placed on buyers by Rimac? Many luxury and hypercar brands carefully select their customers to protect brand value and ensure their vehicles go to true enthusiasts rather than investors looking for quick profit. We also explore how dealership agreements, allocation systems, and manufacturer rules can influence who gets access to rare cars like the Nevera. This situation highlights the growing tension between demand and exclusivity in the hypercar market, especially as electric vehicles continue to rise in popularity. If you're interested in supercars, electric vehicles, dealership stories, or rare car sales, this video gives you a unique look into a side of the car industry that most people never see. Watch till the end to learn the full story behind this shocking refusal and what it means for future hypercar buyers in the US. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car news, EV updates, and luxury automotive content.
We'll be right back.